Hey everybody, it's another hot, humid day here in Oklahoma. Summer has arrived and I am sweating quite profusely. Anyway, this one's going to be a little bit short today, but let's get right into it. So today what I've been doing is I bought this last summer, towards the end of last summer. And I'm just now getting around to using it, mainly because the application process requires direct sunlight and the temperatures to be over 70 degrees. And it requires a paintbrush, which I'm sure looked really odd because my neighbors probably thought I was painting my tires. But anyway, that stuff is all put on. I got it on the F150 and it's over here, it's cooling down so that way it'll harden up and it's looking pretty good. I gotta say, I like it so far. And yeah, it's doing great. Oh yeah, by the way, Ranger's over there because, well, I still can't find an engine for the damn thing. The Explorer is in the back on the other side of the house. And my garage is still a mess. So, yeah, there's the Explorer. But yeah, so far I really like what it's done with the tires. I'm not really a big fan of tire shine products, mainly because once you put it on, it usually slings off and it gets all over the body, and it usually only lasts about a week. But this stuff says, since it's a wax, it's not really a spray-on kind of application that just sits there. This, what it does is it hardens up and creates a little bit of a shell on the tire, and it's supposed to last for several months, and it's not supposed to sling all over the body. The only thing I don't like that this product has done is now it's drawn attention to the wheels, which don't match the rest of the truck. And that bugs me. So maybe it's time for rims and tires. And soon, eventually, there is somebody I want to introduce you all to. He's a longtime friend of mine. He's a really cool guy. And I think he's going to be a great addition to this channel because he's just as nuts about cars and trucks as I am. And he lives right here in Oklahoma. The only problem is he's an over-the-road trucker, so he's gone a lot too. So we'll get to that another day. Oh, and in here I got a bunch more parts for the Excursion, front end stuff, ball joints, tie rods, all kinds of fun, fancy crap in there for the Excursion. So yeah, we'll eventually get to that too. Well, that was an absolute waste of time. They're clean, but they're no longer shiny. Just one little quick trip to go pick up my kid. Not even 5 miles. Oh well, we'll try the next one.